Before the holidays get here, we need to celebrate Halloween, right? But don't let the candy prices scare you away. Dan Spindle and our Smart Shopper team show you which stores will give you the sweetest deals.
Trick or treat. Two words, when put together, become the most magical phrase in the English language. It's like Oliver Twist saying, "Please, sir, I want some candy." See what I mean?
So where are you going to find the best deal on candy for yourself and, of course, for all the trick-or-treaters? We shopped at Costco, Sam's Club, Walmart, Target, even Boxed.com for popular candy options.
Green apple, lemon, orange, strawberry. This counts as a fruit, right?
Fruit or not, Skittles and Starburst are on my list, and Sam's Club has the best deal that we found. Get 215 pieces for $12.98. That's 6 cents each. You'll pay 8 cents each at Target and 9 cents each at Walmart. Costco and Box.com didn't have a bag with just these two candies.
And you cannot forget about the chocolate.
Box.com and Costco had huge bags of every type of chocolate you can think of, including Kit Kat, M&M's, Reese's, Crunch, and much more. And for this bag of 150 pieces, you'll pay $15.99 at Costco, so 11 cents for each candy. At Box.com, you'll pay $3 more to have it delivered to your door. We also priced Mars Variety Packs, which has Twix, Milky Way, Snickers, and Three Musketeers. You'll pay 8 cents for each piece of candy at Target and Walmart. Sam's will save you a few pennies, charging 6 cents each. Overall, all of the stores we checked had pretty decent deals. Sam's saved us the most money. Costco had the least variety.
For all the information about our test on the best places to pick up those bags of candy, go to abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Dan Spindle, ABC 15 News.